Hi guys, tonight we're using my air fryer here to make tilapia air fried, and I'm going to show you the recipe that I used to make it. It's pretty good. It's like French fries. It's crispy, yummy. So I have 2 tilapia fillets here, and I'm going to use salt. I'm going to put on top. Do it to your taste. Everybody has the amount that they like to use and have on their fish. So I'm going to use pepper as well. Salt and pepper to taste. It's what you like. Then we're going to turn it to the other side. Let's flip them over so that we can put salt and pepper. So I beat an egg before. We'll pour it over into another plate so we can dip the fishes in. Now, we're going to take the first fillet. I'm going to dip it in. Make sure it's good. And we're using today corn flour. This is the thing that I was trying to use recently to try out to make this air fried fish. It's gluten free and it's whole grain corn flour. So we're going to take the tilapia. We're going to dip it in. We're going to make sure that it's covered very well. And we're going to open our air fryer. I use Palm olive oil to spray it inside so the fish doesn't stick. So we're going to take the first one, the first fillet, and drop it in. Then we're going to take the second fillet, put it in the egg. Make sure it has egg all over. Then we're going to take it and put it into the corn flour. Now we're going to take the fillet and drop it in. So this is how it looks inside. We're going to put it into the air fryer. So now we're going to choose what we want. We're going to choose the fish option. And we're going to put it in for 20 minutes. And we're going to raise the temperature to about 390. We're going to start it for 20 minutes, 390. And we're going to come back to it and see how it looks. Okay guys, so let's see how our fishes came out. So we have our delicious fish. It's all ready. It's lit. Both sides. Hope you enjoy your dinner tonight.